In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get rid of varicose vein permanently. Hi, my name is LOOKMAN and you are welcome to my Health is Wealth series where we discuss different way to cure ailments using natural means. Welcome back. I'm going to be showing you simple remedy to get rid of varicose vein and at the same time treat joint pains using simple natural ingredients. What are the ingredients that we are going to be needing? Number one, we are going to be needing olive oil. Olive oil has an anti-inflammatory properties that is good, very good for taking care of varicose vein and joint pains or pains generally. We'll also be needing bay leaf. Bay leaf has a lot of healing properties. I bet we all know that bay leaf has spiritual uses. So also it has a lot of healing properties. It contains an antioxidant properties that is very beneficial in treating varicose vein and pains. It has vitamins, it also has minerals, and all these aids in healing. And lastly, we are going to be needing a glass jar or a glass bottle, not something big, but a glass jar or bottle. That's what we are going to be needing. So how do we prepare it? Before I go to the preparation, I've already told you that the olive oil has anti-inflammatory properties, while bay leaf has antioxidants and healing properties. All this goes in hand to cure varicose vein and other joint pains or body pains. So how do we prepare? Simple. You get olive oil, at least 200 mils or 250 mils as the case may be. Just get 200 or 250 mils, and you know that small bottle is the 200 mils or the 250 mils. Just get that, then pour this oil into the glass jar, not plastic, glass jar. Pour it into the glass jar. Then take your bay leaf at least 20 grams, like 10 pieces or 20 pieces of the bay leaf, the fairly middle one, not the big type, the middle type. Just get about 20 leaves, 15 to 20 leaves. Then you crush it. You can crush it with your hand, but if you crush it with your hand, it doesn't go very well. So you can blend it. You can use blender. That small part of your blender, you can use it to blend it, and once it is blended, it turns into powder. Now, just after doing this, make sure you are using a tablespoon to scoop. Make sure it is 1 tablespoon of that bay leaf. Then you pour it into the glass jar that is containing your oil. So you cover it with the lid. Cover it very well. I want to show you the most effective and the fastest way now to do it. Normally, you can keep it somewhere for some time, but this one, you can start using it immediately. Just once you have it, you see immediately the color of that olive oil will change. It will change. So the last step in this is to take it into your cooking pot or saucepan or cooking pan. Just put it then on a very low heat. Let this boil for like 5 minutes. Let it boil very low heat. Let it boil for like 5 minutes. You are not pouring it to the glass jar that you have the olive oil and the crushed bay leaf inside. You just pour it. You just take it and put it on the saucepan with water. Put some water in the cooking pot and put the bottle. Cover it at least on a very low heat. Let it boil for like 5 minutes. Then put it down. Once you put it down, let the thing cool down very well. Then shake it together very well. shake it together. After shaking it together, then you sieve it. That means you are sieving or you are straining the olive oil. I mean the bay leaf, you are straining it out of the oil. So once you have this, pour it back into the bottle again. Then the residue, just throw that away. You don't really need that again. So you have your oil. That is your oil. It is anti-inflammatory oil. You can use it to cure venous varicose vein and joint pain. So how do you use this? How do you apply it? Very simple. You are going to be using this for at least the first 2 weeks. The first 2 weeks, you use the first 2 weeks and you apply the needle. You just take small part of it, rub it on the part that you have, any part of your body that you have the varicose vein or the joint that you have pains. Just apply it. You can do it in the morning and you can do it in the evening. You can be doing it you can be in the morning and evening for 2 weeks straight away. Don't break it, just be using it continuously. Use it continuously. At least you don't stop, continue to use it. By the first 2 weeks, if you apply it properly, you start seeing results. So you won't stop it until the varicose vein disappears. It disappears. And your pain, make sure you apply it on the affected area of the pain. Make sure you apply there and you see relief. The pains, the relief comes instantly. And don't forget, you have to combine this with regular exercise. I'm not saying strenuous exercise, just mild exercise. And you must also eat balanced diet. If you do all these, you will see the varicose vein will disappear and it will never come again. That is the good part about this. It will never come again. Instead of you treating your varicose vein with injections, going to hospital, they want to do this, they want to do that, you can do this naturally. Hope this helps. By the way, my name is LOOKMAN. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. Just click on the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.